Yeah, that noise is not pleasant, and I can't seem to figure out what it is. So now that's with me turning. But now I'm gonna go on my speed bump on my driveway, and it'll do it again. Oh, my garage isn't open. But when it hits bumps, I'll go down. For some reason, it does it as well. As you can hear, I'm just gonna go straight up again and I'll do it. It does it all the time, everywhere. They can't seem to fix it. I don't know what it is. This is an 06 Ford Fusion with very low mileage. Sorry for the dust. 92,000 or 89. I'm sorry, 89. It's got a brand new transmission in it. Well, I should say rebuilt. 5,000 miles previously. I have a poor time in third gear, even though this is an automatic. Third gear, it slips. The RPMs will go up to about 25, 3,000, and it'll dump itself, and then it'll engage the gear, and then the car will keep going. Or if I'm about to go third gear and I let off, the car will hang itself and then jerk back in to downshift to second gear, even though it didn't shift to go into third gear. I have a terrible time trying to figure out what it is. That as well. I got a new throttle body, thinking that was it. The module, they were saying the PCM or TCM could be a change, but that's a dealership issue for me. I've been living it out. The new transmission kind of fixed it. The throttle body was beautiful for like the first 2 weeks, and then the computer reset itself and wanted to screw me. But then I got this problem. So I don't know what that is. People say ball joints. My father says it's the strut tower. I have no idea what it is. All I know is that 06 to even the newer versions have terrible transmissions, and I've had this car for under a year, and I've already went over $3,000 worth of maintenance. This was a one-owner vehicle from an old woman that I knew. I've got all the maintenance through the dealership, and it's brutal. I don't know what to do. If anyone knows what this wonderful noise is, please comment below. And I would definitely encourage anybody that is looking into Ford Fusions. They are cheap. Parts are fairly cheap, but it's a piece of shit to round it out. So, thank you.